Good morning, children. Welcome to the e-learning class of mathematics. Name of the book is New Composite Mathematics Class 2. Today, we will be learning a new topic, that is division, chapter 8. What is division? Division means equal sharing. যখন আমাদের কাছে কোনো জিনিস থাকে এবং সেই জিনিসটা আমরা সমান ভাগে অনেকগুলো লোকের মধ্যে ভাগ করতে চাই, তখন সেইটা আমরা ডিভিশনের মাধ্যমে করতে পারি। See the activity 1 in page number 180. Rohan's mother bought a packet of 12 chocolates for her 4 children. রোহানের মা তার 4জন বাচ্চার জন্যে 12टा चॉकलेट किनेছেন। रोहन की माँ ने अपने 4 बच्चों के लिए 12 चॉकलेट्स खरीदा है। She gives 1 chocolate to each of the 4 children. वे 4 बच्चों को एक-एक টফি देती हैं। উনি 4জন বাচ্চাকে একটা একটা করে চকলেট দিলেন। She then gives 1 chocolate more to each of the 4 children. তারপরে উনি আবার একটা একটা করে চকলেট 4জন বাচ্চাকে দিলেন। She again gives 1 chocolate more to each of the children. আবার উনি 4টে করে চকলেট 4জনকে দিলেন। Now the mother is left with no chocolate. এবার মায়ের কাছে पैकेटे আর चॉकलेट नहीं। अब माँ के पास और चॉकलेट नहीं बचा है। This means that all the 12 chocolates have been divided equally among 4 children and each child gets 3 chocolates. এটার মানে কি হচ্ছে যে 12টা চকলেট সমানভাবে 4জন বাচ্চার মধ্যে ভাগ করে দেওয়া হয়েছে আর প্রত্যেকে 3টে করে चॉकलेट পেয়েছে। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 12 जो चॉकलेट्स थे उनको 4 बच्चों में माँ ने समान भाग में दिया है और हर एक को 3 चॉकलेट्स मिले हैं। We say that 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. We write it as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. The sleeping line and a dot on top and bottom is the symbol of the division. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 is the division fact. Now come to activity 2 on page number 119. Suppose we have 9 cups. ধরে নাও আমাদের কাছে 9টা কাপ আছে। मान लीजिए कि हमारे पास 9 कप हैं। डिवाइड देम इक्वली इनटू 3 ग्रुप्स। अब उन्हें हमें 3 ग्रुप में डिवाइड करना है। तो हम क्या करेंगे? ईच ग्रुप कंटेन्स 3 कप्स। तो पहले एक कप एक बॉक्स में, दूसरा कप दूसरे बॉक्स में और तीसरा कप तीसरे बॉक्स में डालते हैं। फिर हमारे पास जो बचे हुए कप्स हैं उनमें से फिर एक एक करके हम 3 ग्रुप में एक एक कप डालते हैं और फिर लास्ट में जो कप्स बचे हैं वो भी हम डालते हैं। तो हम देखते हैं कि 3-3 কাপ हर एक বক্স में आते हैं। আমরা যদি এক একটা করে প্রত্যেকটা বক্সে রাখতে থাকি তাহলে লাস্টে আমরা পাবো যে 9টা যে কাপ আছে 3টে করে এক একটা বক্সে থাকবে। So each group contains 3 cups. We write 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. We say that 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 is called a division fact. Now suppose we have a collection of 8 toys. अब हम देखते हैं कि हमारे पास 8 टेडी बेयर है। আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি 8টা টেডি বেয়ার আছে এখানে। Distribute them equally among 2 children. Now suppose there are 2 friends and each of them needs to be having equal amount of toys. So what we'll do, we will take one toy from here and put it here, the other one here, the next one here in this group to this girl, and the next one to this girl, then the next to this one, and the following to the other one, the last second to this group, and the last one to this group, and we find that each girl gets 4 teddy bears. So each child gets 4 toys. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Thus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 is a division fact. Now, keeping those two activities in mind, you can write the placeholders. In this page number 120, you have to fill in the placeholders. So, if you count the number of balloons, how many balloons are there altogether? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 balloons have been divided equally into, see the boxes, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 groups. Each group contains, so in one box how many balloons are there? 5. The other one also has 5 and the last one also has 5. So each group contains 5 balloons. So division fact is 15, the total number of balloons, divided by number of groups, that is 3, is equal to number of balloons in each group, so 5. Next you have pencils. So there are total 18 pencils have been given here, as you can see. So let us read. 18 pencils have been divided equally into how many groups? Count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 groups. Each group contains how many pencils? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So each group contains 3 pencils. Division fact is 18, the total number of pencils, divided by number of groups 6, and the answer is the number of pencil present in each group is 3. Next you have candles. So the similar way you will solve it. There are 20 candles altogether. So 20 candles have been divided equally into how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups. Each group contains how many candles? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Division fact is 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So if you divide the total number of candles by 5, you will get 4. Now come to page number 121. As you can see, the apples are there. So total number of apples are 21. So 21 apples have been divided equally into 3 groups. Each group contains, count the number of apples, you will get 7. So 7 apples. Division fact is 21 divided by number of groups is equal to 3. So you write down 3 here, is equal to how much? Number of apples in each group is 7. Coming to the next one, you can see mangoes are there. So total number of mangoes, 24 mangoes have been divided equally into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. Each group contains 6 mangoes. So you can count 6 mangoes in each group. Division fact is 24 divided by the number of groups is equal to number of mangoes in each group. So 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Coming to the last one of page 121, you have oranges. So total number of oranges 28. So 28 oranges have been divided equally into how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. Each group contains how many oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 oranges. Division fact is 28. So total number of oranges divided by number of groups, that is 4, is equal to number of oranges present in each group, that is 7. Now in page number 122, you have write the division fact for each of the following. So by looking at the images, you have to write the division fact as it has been done for number 1. So here you have number of bats, that is 6, and number of groups 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to number of bats present in each group, so that is 2. Similarly, you are going to solve the next one. You can see the number of footballs altogether you have 9. Number of groups they are divided into is equal to 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 in each group, as you can see. So 3, you will write down 3 footballs. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Now you can see bottle of juice. So how many bottles are there together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 bottles altogether. Then number of groups equal to 4. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to how many bottles are there? As you can see, there are 4 bottles in each group. So you'll write down 4. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Then you have locks. So total number of locks 15. Number of groups 5. Number of locks in each group 3. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Now coming to the next one, you have mangoes. Number of mangoes, if you count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, and number of groups equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5s are 30. So 30. Now divided by how many groups? 6. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to how much? 5. As you can see, there are 5 mangoes. So next one, you have roses. So how many roses altogether? 32. Divided by number of groups is equal to 4. So the result is 8. So you can see there are number of roses in each group is equal to 8. Now you come to page number 123. Make groups as shown and fill in the correct numbers. First one, as you can see, has been done for you. You have to divide the number of images into equal boxes, equal groups. Okay, and the total count you will write down first, then the number of groups, and then the number of objects, things, or whatever is there present in each group will be your answer. So in the first place, you can see the number of ducklings are equal to 14, number of groups equal to 7, and the result is 2. Because each group has 2 ducklings, and if you divide 14 by 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So see, this is already mentioned here. Now come to the next one. You have candies or toffees. So total number of toffees are 18, number of groups 3, and therefore the answer will be 6 in each group. 3 6 are 18. You can apply the multiplication here, and if you know the multiplication, you can easily find it out. Here what you have to do, you have to see the number of books as it is given 20, and how many groups are there? 1 2 3 4, 4 groups, and number of books in each group is equal to 5. So 5 4s are 20. Then you have candles. 27 candles, as you can see, are there, and it has been divided into how many groups? 3 groups, and number of candles in each group 9. So 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. Then you have 30 lotus, and there are total number of groups is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and number of lotus in each group is equal to 6. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Then 32 divided by 8, because each row has 8 mobiles. So 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. Number of groups equal to 4. Then you have page number 124. Division as inverse of multiplication. এটার মানে কি বলছে? ডিভিশনটা মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনের উল্টো হয়। কিভাবে? সাপোজ উই হ্যাভ 2 গ্রুপস অফ 4 বয়েজ ইচ। ধরে নাও আমাদের কাছে দুটো গ্रुप আছে আর প্রত্যেকটা গ্रुपে 4টে করে বাচ্চা আছে। समझ लीजिए कि हमारे पास 2 ग्रुप है और हर एक ग्रुप में 4-4 बच्चे हैं। तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉयज इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 8। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 2 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 8 हुआ। This means 8 boys have been divided into 2 groups and there are 4 boys in each group. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि 8 बच्चे हैं जिन्हें हम 2 समान भाग में बांटे हैं 2 ग्रुप में और हर एक ग्रुप में 4 बच्चे हैं। এটা মানে আমরা কি বুঝলাম যে টোটাল 8টা বাচ্চা আছে যাদের আমরা দুটো গ্রুপে ডিভাইড করেছি আর প্রত্যেকটা গ্রুপে 4টে করে বাচ্চা আছে। So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. This is the division fact as you can see. Again divide the 8 boys into 4 groups. এবার 8টা বাচ্চাকে 4টে গ্রুপে ভাগ করে দাও। How many boys are there in each group? যদি 4টে বাচ্চাকে আমি দুটো করে প্রত্যেকটা গ্রুপে ভাগ করে দিই 4টে গ্রুপে, তাহলে আমরা দেখব যে দুটো করে বাচ্চা প্রত্যেকটা গ্রুপে আছে। সো 8 ডিভাইডেড বাই 4 ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 2। তাহলে আমরা কি দেখছি? মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন ফ্যাক্ট 2 into 4 is equal to 8 gives rise to 2 division facts. যদি 2 into 4 is equal to 8 হয় তাহলে এটা থেকে আমরা দুটো ডিভিশন ফ্যাক্ট বার করতে পারি। 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So division is the inverse of multiplication. Write 2 division facts for each of the following multiplication facts. One has been done for you. You can find it in page number 125. So multiplication fact is given. You have to write the 2 division facts. তো প্রথম আমাদের এটা মনে রাখতে হবে যেটা আমরা মাল্টিপ্লাই করে যেটা আমরা পাই প্রোডাক্ট সেটা প্রথমে চলে আসবে। যেটা দিয়ে আমরা মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন শুরু করছি দ্যাট ইজ মাল্টিপ্লায়ার, সেটা হচ্ছে 2 আর মাল্টিপ্লিকেন্ট আনসারে চলে যাবে। আবার অন্যটাতে কি হবে? প্রোডাক্ট থাকবে, তারপরে মাল্টিপ্লিকেন্ট থাকবে, তারপর মাল্টিপ্লায়ার আসবে, উল্টে যাবে। সো ফার্স্টে যেমন 10 ডিভাইডেড বাই 2 ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 5, আবার এটা উল্টে দিলে 10টা 10-এর জায়গায় থাকবে, 5টা চলে আসবে এই বক্সে আর 2টা চলে যাবে ওই দিকে। তো 5 into 2 is equal to 10, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. সিমিলারলি ডিভিশন করলেও সেম প্রসেসে আসবে। 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So this way we can solve the rest. Now children, you turn on to page number 126. Division using multiplication table. Suppose we have to divide 20 by 4. Recite the multiplication table of 4 till you come to 20. Clearly 4 goes into 25 times as 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. এখানে কি হচ্ছে? আমরা মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন দ্বারা কিভাবে ডিভিশন বার করতে পারি সেটা কি করে বার করব আমরা? ধরো আমাদের 20কে ডিভাইড করতে হবে 4 দিয়ে, তাহলে আমরা কি করব? 4-এর টেবিল বলবো যতক্ষণ না আমরা 20 পাচ্ছি। সো 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. সো 4-এর টেবিলে 5-এ 20 আসে। সো আমরা কি লিখব? 20 ডিভাইডেড বাই 4 ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 5। এইভাবে আমরা এই লেসনটা সলভ করব। So let us continue. 16 divided by 2. So let us recite the table of 2 until we get 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. So we'll write down 8. Now 27 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So we'll write down 3. Similarly, if you recite the table of 6 to get 48, you will get it at 8. 6 eights are 48. Then if you recite the table of 4 to get 36, you will get 4 nines are 36. So you'll write down 9. 54 divided by 9, 9 6 are 54. So you will write down 6 here. 72 divided by 8, 8 nines are 72. So you will write down 9 here. 63 divided by 7, again you recite the table of 7, you will get 7 nines are 63. So you will write down 9 here. 50 divided by 5, 5 tens are 50. So you will write down 10 in the blank circle. 64 divided by 8, 8 eights are 64. So you will write down 8. Similarly, you will solve the rest of the division table. Now children, we will proceed with the word problems that you have related to division in page number 127 of composite maths, and then you have the word problems on page number 51 in your mental maths book. So you will follow the book and solve the word problems. So I have not mentioned the questions here in the document. You will follow the questions from the book. বইয়ের থেকে কোয়েশ্চেন দেখবে আর আনসার নোটবুকে যেরমভাবে আমি প্রসিজিয়ারটা করেছি সেইভাবে করবে। ওকে, সো লেট আস বিগিন। The first one you can see in page number 127 of composite maths. First one is already done for you, so we have started from the second one. So let's see what is the question. 45 toffees are equally divided among 9 girls. How many toffees does each girl get? 45টা টফি যদি সমানভাবে 9 জন মেয়েকে দেয়া হয়েছে, তাহলে এক একজন কটা করে টফি পাবে, এক একজন মেয়ে কটা করে টফি পাবে? তো আমরা কিভাবে লিখব? Number of toffees is equal to 45. Number of girls equal to 9. Number of toffees each girl get. যেটা বিগ নাম্বার থাকবে, যেটা প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাকচুয়ালি থাকে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনে, সেটা আমি শিখিয়েছি, সেটা চলে আসে ডিউরিং ডিভিশন। 45 চলে আসবে এদিকে, তারপর ডিভিশন সাইন, দেন ইউ হ্যাভ দ্য নাম্বার অফ গার্লস that is given, that is 9 is equal to 9 এর টেবিলে 45 কখন আসে? 9 5s are 45, so 5 toffees will be shared amongst each girl. Okay, so each girl gets 5 toffees. Number 3, 7 days make a week. How many weeks are there in 42 days? এখানে বলছে যদি 7 দিনে এক সপ্তাহ হয় তাহলে 42 days-এ কটা সপ্তাহ হবে? So let us now start. Each number of days is equal to 42. Number of days make 1 week is equal to 7. Number of weeks 42 days make is equal to 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. Then the answer will be 42 days make 6 weeks. Now let's move to number 4. A person can sit in a 4 person can sit in a car. How many cars will be needed for 32 persons? যদি একটা গাড়িতে 4 জন বসতে পারে তাহলে 32টা লোকের জন্য কটা গাড়ি লাগবে? So number of person is equal to 32. Number of person can sit in one car দেয়া আছে, that is 4. Number of cars needed for 32 person is equal to 32 divided by 4 is equal to 4 8s are 32 হয়, so 8 is the answer. So answer is 32 person can sit in 8 cars. Then you come down to number 5. 6 balls cost rupees 54. How much does one ball cost? If each ball has the same cost, যদি সব বলের এক দাম হয় তাহলে 52 রুপিস, যদি 6টা বলের দাম হয় তাহলে একটা বলের দাম কত? তো আবার সেম প্রসিজার। Cost of 6 balls is equal to rupees 54. Cost of one ball is equal to 54 divided by 6 is equal to 6 9s are 54. So 9, write down 9 rupees. Now coming to number 6. There are 40 bananas in 5 bunches. Each bunch contains the same number of bananas. How many bananas are there in each bunch? বলছে যদি 40টা বানানা 5টা বাঞ্চে আছে তাহলে একটা বাঞ্চে কটা বানানা হবে? যদি আমরা ধরে নিচ্ছি যে প্রত্যেকটা বাঞ্চে সেম নাম্বার অফ বানানাস আছে, so then what will you do? You will write down number of bananas in 5 bunches is equal to 40. Number of bananas in 1 bunch is equal to 40 divided by 5. So 5 8s are 40. Therefore the answer is 1 bunch will have 8 bananas. Okay? In the similar lines, you are going to solve the mental maths, page 51. The solved answers are already given to you. You can follow that and you can solve it. Then coming to page number 52 of mental maths. Page number 51 is already solved. You will move on to page number 52. In page number 52, what you have to do is, there are dots given. Okay, their numbers are given in the apple and you have to distribute the number into the number of triangles given in the box beside it, and then you have to write the division fact. So let us see. Place dots in each triangle to divide the given number equally. Write the division fact for each. তো এটা সব থেকে ইজি ওয়ে আছে, আমি 1 2 3 4 5 6 করে একটা বক্সে একটা ডট দিতে থাকবো till I reach 24. So if we are having suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 triangles, তো আমি একটা করে ডট দিই প্রথমে 1 2 3 4 5 6, then again start from the first one 7 8 9 10 11 12, then again coming back to the first one 13 14 15 16 17 18, again back to the first one 19 20 21 22 23 24. So how many dots we got? We got 3 dots. We got 4 dots in each triangle. Therefore 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. 6 4s are 24. Then you again have 30. So again we will follow the same procedure. We have 1 2 3 4 5 triangles. So we will start distributing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. So now 30 has been distributed in 3 triangles. So and each triangle has 6 dots. So 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. 5 6 are 30. So based on that, children, you can solve the rest. So thank you for joining. Stay fit and enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.